Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Hearts of Iron 4 mod. First, you will need to locate your game directory and create a new folder within the mod folder. This new folder will house all your custom files. Inside, create a descriptor file, which is a simple text document outlining your mod's name, version, and supported game version. This initial setup is crucial for the game to recognize your creation. We'll cover the exact file structure in detail. Next, we dive into the core elements of modding. Understanding the game's file structure, particularly the common and history folders, is vital. You'll learn to modify national focus trees, adding new paths and decisions for nations. We'll also explore how to create custom events, complete with unique triggers and effects, and even introduce entirely new countries and leaders to the world map, giving players fresh experiences. Moving on to more advanced techniques, we'll explore scripting custom decisions and ideas, allowing for dynamic gameplay changes. You can implement new graphics, such as unique flags, portraits for leaders, and even custom unit models, enhancing visual immersion. Balancing your mod is key. Consider how your changes impact gameplay difficulty and player enjoyment. Aim for a cohesive experience that feels like a natural extension of the base game. Finally, testing and publishing are essential steps. Thoroughly test your mod for any bugs or compatibility issues across different game versions. Utilize the in-game debug tools to identify and resolve problems efficiently. Once polished, you can easily upload your mod to the Steam Workshop, sharing your creation with a global community of players. Remember to engage with feedback to continuously improve and update your mod over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.